Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial. For today's video, I will teach you how to blend posters. So we just search templates, then posters. So let's say that we want to blend this poster. Say Turkey, this one. Just select this image, then customize this template in the size or format that you want. If you select this image, now we're gonna select some images from the poster. Then we can go to apps, image, mixer, press mixer. Upon pressing mixer, we just press image mixer and mix the selected image. I'll just wait for it to load. So we can see that it can be mixed, but I think we just need to find a better image. Let's say this image. Say make it bigger. For example, this image, we want to blend this image with that one. Just maybe delete this one. So let's say this image, we want to blend this image on top of this image, this kayak. So what we're gonna do is mix the selected image. So we can just put the size here, the strength of the mix, then the mix size, so we can see it's blending already. Here, and the strength of the, here we go, the mix size maybe can be just a little, and save. So here we can see that it mixed perfectly, or mixed good with the image itself, but we just want to clear the corners, so we can just reduce it to the left side so that it looks better. Maybe delete this one. So yeah, there we go. Now it looks like this. So the image blend with the poster. As you can see that the poster turned out to be good. So once again, that's how you blend posters in Canva. Once again, thank you for watching this tutorial, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button for more Canva tips and tricks to come. Thank you for watching.